Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Eva from the Glitter Corner here and I continue with my Halloween series, and this time I'm showing you Magic Potion. I called this set because I think especially for Halloween you can go a bit bolder, so I worked with green and purple and I'm showing you the nails in different lights here. So let's get started and I show you what I did. So at first I'm coming in and I'm checking on my purples. I think in the end I used the one I just showed you, and I wanted to work with this mint color but darken it a bit, and then in the end I remembered, no wait, I have this lovely dark green that I already purchased for my winter designs, so here it is. So I'm coming in with this super nice, I don't know, do you call that British racing green, maybe? So super nice dark green. And I mixed that with the mint, and that already did the trick. So I'm going to use that, and then these two glitters, the greenish purple and the pinkish purple one. And all I did on all three nails was I come in with this green color on the nail tip area, and then with the purple in the nail bed, and I started to create an ombre between the colors, but I was not very thorough with the ombre because it's just a background, so you do not have to worry about not blending the colors well enough. You will see in a moment. I mean, of course I sped up the process, but it does not have to be super smooth. That's all I'm saying. So I'm coming in with the purple color, bring the colors as close together as possible, and then I pick up my beloved gradient brush. I just start pulling the green into the purple and doing tiny movements from side to side. A lot of times you can see this gel polish wave that you are dragging over the nail. So first I go from top to bottom and then I turn the nail and I start dragging the purple into the green. Here you see tiny movements, not even a millimeter of dragging. Usually, I mean, you see me dragging here, do as I say, not what I do, please. I went very rough with this ombre, and still, I think it's quite alright. So at this stage, I'm already very happy with the ombre. Pop that into my lamp for 60 seconds. Yeah, and the camera focuses on the leaf, not the nail. Sorry for that, guys. Okay, and I did not even do another layer. I just went with this layer. So anyway, I come in with the green and purple glitter pieces and I place them all over the nail, and that's why you can see the ombre is not that important because it's just our background. So I place the green and purple glitter pieces on the green part, and then I come in with the pinkish greenish glitter pieces on the purple part and bring them together. And sorry about the squeaking noises in the background. That is not a special Halloween effect, but my neighbor leaving or not leaving the house. So anyway, I tap down the glitter pieces so I'm sure that they lie flat, and while that cures again under my lamp for 60 seconds, I prepare the next nail and I do them all the same. I come in with the green and the purple and try to blend them roughly together in the middle, cleaning out my gradient brush here and there. And then once the nail is cured with the glitter pieces, I check that everything is flat and fixed. So these are all the encapsulated glitter pieces, and I already love it. I think for Halloween you can go super bold. You want the witchy magic effect. So as you can see, I'm coming in with some top coat in the purple to make it more translucent, because now I'm going to create this milky purple translucent layer on top, so that the glitter pieces only are going to peek through in the nail bed area, on the tip and on the side, just as a kind of an eye catcher, to make it look a bit more mysterious, ghosty. Now, after applying the first layer, I go around that layer with my gradient brush, and I'm trying to blend the harsh lines, because we do not want harsh lines. Once you are happy with that, you pop it into your lamp for 60 seconds. And for the other two nails, after curing, I come in with one of my favorite chrome powders. This is color changing from green to purple, so I thought it would be the perfect chrome for this nail. Under the lamp, it catches a lot of gold. It completely depends on the light. Here is very golden, but there's a nice green purpley shimmer, and my camera loves to focus on my mixing leaf. It's a bit annoying, sorry for that. And once I'm happy with the chrome, I encapsulate all the chrome powder with a layer of top coat and pop it into the lamp for 60 seconds. And then, after curing with a bit more of the top coat, I pick up the glitter pieces again, and I create just a swoosh line. So first with the green glitter pieces on the free edge area of the nail, and then with the pink ones in the purple area, swoosh it over in kind of an S-curve. Place single glitter pieces where I especially want them, and then tap over them, make them lie flat before you put your nail into the lamp for curing. So I'm coming in with the highlight nail, applying the next translucent layer of purple, and I do not go as close to the sides as I did before. I go a little bit smaller, and then I'm coming in with my gradient brush again and blend all the harsh lines over to the first layer. So blend, 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 go around the nail. And actually I was already very happy with the 2 layers of the translucent purple, but I think I even did a 3rd one. And yeah, I'm a big fan of these peek-through glitter style nails as well. So here I'm coming in with the last layer, that's the 3rd one. I blend that over to the first 2 ones, and then the nail is already very close to what I had in mind. And I think it will go with a lot of Halloween costumes, being an eye catcher, giving you these witchy magic vibes that I love so much. I'm not sure if I top coated here already, but this is where we are, and this is how the glitter is peeking through as you move the nail. And I think I even tried it on my thumb. Not sure if I left that in because, yeah, I wanted to see what it looks like on your hand. Ah, okay, anyway, first I file over carefully to not damage the gradient too much, but I file over to have any outsticking glitter pieces more smooth, because otherwise you are playing with your fingers around this sticking out pieces. That's not good. So then I'm buffing, coming in with some cleanser and a wipe. And now I'm top coating. Okay. So last layer of top coat, put that in my lamp. These are all 3 nails together, top coated and everything. Yeah, I tried it on and I left it in the video. Cool. So here I'm just straightening that out. Very witchy, very magical, don't you think? I love that nail. I mean, you could even wear it alone and you do the green and purple gradient on the rest of your nails, or you just go purple, or you just go green. Hope this inspires you guys. You leave me a like and comment on the set, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.